Welcome back to the TYSK report, bringing you the things you should know happening in the world of technology. Of course, that docket is loaded with some interesting information, and I will be bringing that to you right now. Let's get to it. In our first article, we have how an AI deepfake ad of Mr. Beast ended up on TikTok. AI deepfakes are getting so good that a fraudulent Mr. Beast ad slipped past TikTok's ad moderation technology to end up on the platform. In the ad, the massively influential creator appeared to be offering 10,000 viewers an iPhone 15 Pro for just $2. In most cases, this would be a clear indication of a scam, but coming from Mr. Beast, it could actually be believable. To be charitable, this could explain how the deepfake ad got approved on TikTok. TikTok uses a mixture of human moderation and, ironically enough, AI-aided technology to review ads before they post. The FTC has already issued warnings about deepfake marketing, but the practice has proven hard to regulate at scale. And as global elections loom, the consequences of this deceptive advertising could become more dire. Yeah, so as that article pointed out, this is definitely something you should be on the lookout for as election season continues to move on. You're probably going to see a lot of deep fake stuff where it's not going to be real, having that person who is running for something, saying something that they never said, and doing something they never did. Don't believe it the first time you see it because it could potentially be a deep fake. Be on the lookout of what's to come. Moving right along. Gas station convenience stores might survive the EV future with the help from these chargers. Now it says here that Electric Era has designed EV charging stations that convenience stores can buy and manage with minimum power upgrades. Now, with a new round of funding that includes Chevron Technology Ventures, the startup hopes it can convince prospective buyers to ease in on the electric vehicle future, especially as gas station traffic eventually dwindles down. Electric Era is offering an electric vehicle system for convenience stores that includes a power node block that can handle even the most fragile grid power in the country. It includes its own management software and built-in battery pack, kind of like the ones homeowners can buy but can charge EVs at accelerated DC speeds without stressing the grid. It also gives convenience store owners an opportunity to sell unused stored energy back to the grid as another revenue stream on top of new foot traffic courtesy of bored electric vehicle owners. The first Power Node EV fast charging station deployments from Electric Era are set to go online in the coming weeks at a Plaid Pantry store and a Space Age Fuels in the Portland, Oregon metro area. One day, we could potentially see gas stations starting to remove those gas pumps and install electric vehicle chargers. And I think this is just where the world is moving. So we'll see what happens. Moving right along. We have here Meta is back in the news, and Meta debuts generative AI features for advertisers. Meta announced today it's rolling out its first generative AI features for advertisers, allowing them to use AI to create backgrounds, expand images, and generate multiple versions of ad text based on the original copy. The first among the trio of new features allows advertisers to customize their creative assets by generating multiple different backgrounds to change the look of their product images. The feature is available to those advertisers using the company's Advantage Plus catalog to create their sales ads. Another feature, image expansion, allows advertisers to adjust their assets to fit different aspect ratios required across various products like feed or reels, for example. With the text variations feature in Meta Ads Manager, the AI can generate up to 6 different variations of text based on the advertiser's original copy. These variations can highlight specific keywords and input phrases the advertiser wants to emphasize, and advertisers can edit the generated output or simply choose the best one or ones that fit their goals. Meta says it's already tested these AI features with a small but diverse set of advertisers earlier this year, and their early results indicate that generative AI will save them 5 or more hours per week. So yeah, this is just another story just to give you some more insight of what companies are doing. And I could definitely see generative AI being embedded into all the different products that we use on a daily basis, the different apps that we use on a daily basis. So if you start to see it more and more being implemented into things that you use, that's just what's going on, because it's going to give you more opportunity to get more out of what app could provide or what the website could provide or what the tool could provide. And to give you more firepower to back those statements up, we have Walmart, who is also using generative AI. Walmart experiments with generative AI tools that can help you plan a party or decorate. After launching a generative AI tool for corporate employees in August, Walmart is bringing the technology to its customers. During a demo with TechCrunch, a company spokesperson outlined how the retail giant is experimenting with generative AI to help shoppers in all stages of the shopping experience, from the search and discovery phase to making a purchase. 3 features coming down the pipeline include a shopping assistant, generative AI powered search, and an interior design feature. The new shopping assistant, which is launching in the coming weeks, will allow customers to have a more interactive and conversational experience, as it can answer specific questions, provide personalized product suggestions, and share detailed information about a certain product. Walmart is also developing an interior design assistant for customers to decorate rooms. Users can express their opinions on which items they want to keep or buy, and the AI also asks for a budget so it can find items that are affordable. So yeah, it looks like generative AI is going to continue to roll on. And I could see this specific feature being used for someone who might want to create a recipe for family dinner. And then they'll just put in the recipe. The generative AI will be able to get all the grocery items that they need, any other things that they need for the meal. And they'll be able to put it in the cart for them. They pay for it. They pull up to the store. The employee brings it out to them, put it in their car. They're on their way. So this is just technology moving right along, but it's also going to give people the benefit to where they won't have to potentially shop in the store. They can just do all this online and pick it up from the store. Also, if you have not played around with generative AI tools such as Anthropic's Claude or Google's Bard or ChatGPT, OpenAI's ChatGPT, just go on the website, play around with it, just put in some things, start plugging things in. So of course, it's always some interesting stories in the world of technology, always interesting things happening. And to stay up to date with more news, definitely check out these 2 videos right here, and tell a friend that these are the things you and them should know that are happening in the world of technology.